Today I want to show you guys realistic returns on a small account trading my strategy, the premium cycle. I see it all the time on YouTube. People want to make insane returns on their small money. They want to turn their $10,000 into $100,000 within 2 months, and they will try all types of high risk strategies, and most of the time they just end up blowing their account. But then you also have the investors who invest their $10,000 in a random ETF, which is just going sideways for the next 1 or 2 years. So their $10,000 is not growing at all. And in this video, I have a real example of a small trading account, which I am sharing here on YouTube with you guys. So you can see real numbers and real trades on a small account. So let's get into it. Here is a setup that you could have run on a $10,600 account. So I think we can all agree that $10,600 is a reasonable amount to have in capital. So let's get into the numbers. One of the trades would be a AT&T cash secured put on a $22 strike, and in this scenario I sold two cash secured puts on AT&T, which brings me to a total capital reserved for this trade of $4,400. And for this commitment to possibly buy 200 shares of AT&T at a $22 strike, I collected $104 in premium, which you guys can also see down here in the screenshot. As you know, I am the most transparent options trader here on YouTube. So, as you can see, $104 collected on this trade, and my risk is to possibly buy 200 shares of AT&T. And then you could combine that with Kroger, which is a huge grocery store in the United States. And here I sold a cash secured put on a $62 strike. And this obligates me to possibly buy 100 shares of Kroger at a $62 strike. And for this commitment, I collected $105, as you can see here. And if we add up these premiums together, you collected $209 in passive income. So this is real income that is deposited into your trading account immediately. And the capital which you reserved for this trade would have been $10,600. So you just made a monthly passive income of $209 on a $10,600 account. So as you can see, this is a super attractive and also very realistic return on your small account every single month. And this is a strategy that is repeatable. So if you ever have to buy the shares at your strike price, well, after you own the shares, you can just sell covered calls to the upside where you commit yourself to possibly sell them again, and we can collect an income again. And if we don't get assigned on our cash secured put, we can just continue selling a new cash secured put in the next month and collect a new passive income. So as you guys can see, these are real numbers on a smaller account. So if you have $10,000 in capital, you could immediately start generating this income. And I am teaching this full strategy, the premium cycle, inside my community, where I have a full course on how the premium cycle works, so you understand the mechanics in detail. And I'm also sharing my live trades, just like these two here, in my community as well, so you guys can benefit from that. So, if you're interested, click the link in my bio and I will see you guys there.